Good morning, YouTube. It's Alicia here, and I am coming to y'all to show y'all some things I have done to my DVD player and my DirecTV remote. Now, I know some of y'all like, "Well, what this got to do with?" Okay, you probably have a hard time keeping up with your remotes. And I'm going to show you a pretty cute idea how I keep up with my remote. So first I'm going to show you, you're going to need any, and let me see if I can find this. I'm on Amazon right now. Let me see if I can find this particular beading. And I have like a big list of things and let me see. And I have it. So these I did not purchase. These are just some cut pieces of it, but this is what they're looking like. If you can see that right there, this is what it looks like. But it is and I had got this from Walmart.com for about $8. But you can also get it from Amazon, and I will link it at the bottom. But these are the crystal rhinestone ribbon 3 yards diamond sparkling bling ribbon roll band belt wrap for wedding cakes, birthday crafts, and decor. And this is the 1.8 inch in clear, and they are $14.99 on, and this stuff is like $14.99 on Amazon. So I'll check Walmart to see if they're still there. Um, and the reason I wanted to show y'all these ribbons, this stuff I took because I'm bad about can't finding my remotes, and I said I'm gonna DIY my remotes before I can um find them. So what I did to my DVD player is under I did, and here it is right here. I put this on it, and when I can't find it, I look for the shine of it, and that lets you know where it is. Same situation, but I had to put several different places on my actual DirecTV remote. And I actually glue these, and I glue these things on with E6000 glue. So this is how this one look. And I promise you, with a shine of light, you will find your remote pretty quick. So y'all, let me hear your point of view. Do you like how I DIY'd my remotes? Until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.